Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be looking at how to use the 3.0 and 3.1 iRig inside Blockbuster. You can choose the 3.0 iRig and the 3.1 iRig, which offers more emotional poses. To start, select a skin and then press the multi-skin button. Next, we need to add a layer. Click on the plus symbol at the bottom and search for the eye masks folder. Click on Blockbuster, Entity, and then Eye Masks. Here, you can choose between 4 different eye mask sizes. We'll use the one with 2 pixels. Now click on the pencil icon at the bottom and use the left mouse button to set the position of the eye socket. When you are satisfied, check the erase box on the right and exit this menu. At this point, you can add your desired eye rig. In order to do that, click on Edit and add another limb in the body part editor. Select your desired eye rig and create a pose. Done. Of course, you can also adjust the texture file for this rig. In the last step, you will make the head 3D to remove the empty space inside the head at the eye sockets. To do this, you have to edit the existing or duplicated model in the model editor. There, you just have to activate the 3D option in the head limb and save it. Back to the model block. If you have edited the existing morph, the eye socket should be fixed, and if you have edited a duplicate, click on Pick Model in the Edit mode and select your duplicated model. And that's it, we're done. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster mods. See you next time.